So you are watching Java Technology Center tutorial and hashmap conditions. So interviewer will ask you what happens on hashmap in Java if the size of the hashmap exceed a given threshold defined by the load factor. So if the size of the hashmap exceeds a given threshold defined by the load factor, example, if the load factor is mostly 0.75, so it will be act to resize the map once it filled 75%. Got it? So resizing of the hash map will happen after filling the 75% of the hash map. So similar to the other collections, just like array list is also resizing itself by. So how hash map is doing that one? So hashmap is resizing itself by creating a new bucket array. New bucket array of size twice of previous size of hashmap. So how it is doing? It is resizing itself by creating a new bucket array of size twice of previous size of the hashmap, and then start putting every old element into that new bucket array. Means what it is doing? It is resizing. That means whenever it create a new bucket array or bucket new bucket, it create a new bucket array of size twice of the previous size of the hash map, then it start putting every old element into the new bucket array. Every old element into the new bucket array. This process is called rehashing. This process is called rehashing because it also applies the hash function to find new bucket location. So how resizing is done? Suppose that if the load factor is 0.75, then after filling the after filling the 75% of hash map, resize itself. And how it resize? It create a new bucket of array. It create a new bucket array of size twice of the previous size of the hash map, and then start putting every old element into new bucket array. This process is called rehashing because it also applies the hash function to find a new bucket location. So this is how resizing happens. Means creating the bucket array of 2 times size from the previous size of the hash map, and start putting every old element into new bucket array. This process is called rehashing because it also applies the hash function to find a new bucket location. Thank you for watching.